in here on the left hand side, you just need to right click on this PC. So just right click on this PC and then choose manage. Okay, so just choose this option which says manage, and I'm going to minimize this file explorer. And now it's going to open this kind of computer management window. So in here, what you need to do is you need to go to the storage section and then go to the section which says disk management. So this disk management section is going to look like this, and it's going to show you your disk. And this disk, this 0, you will be able to see system reserved memory, and then you will be able to see memory drive in C drive. So right click on this C drive and then choose shrink volume. Okay, which is going to take some time. So it says this disk top, it says shrink C, and then it says total size before shrink in MBs. So everything which is shown here is in megabytes, right? So I have around 60 GB of memory. Size of available shrink space is this one. So here in this third section which says enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes, right? And this much amount of space I can shrink. So what I want is space. So I will just write unallocated space here, right? So this much amount of memory I have allocated to the new space here, and click next. And in here, click new simple volume, and then this is going to be allocated to the partition. I will just click next, and in here you can choose which drive letter you want for your partition. So by default it's E for me, but you can freely choose any letter for your partition. So I'm going to leave it as default, which is E, and then I'm going to click next. And in here you will be able to see format partition. So just select this option which says format this volume with the following settings. So NTFS is good for me, and you can even give the label to your partitions. For example, I want to give the label data to my partition, right? Or any other name which you want, music, videos, or any other data, right? And then click next, and this is going to show you this kind of. And then after, as a label of your data, and then you just need to delete your or to delete